Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm welcoming in 2020 with a Yellowbird cocktail, which is a mid-century classic cocktail. First of all, a shout out to Sebastian and a big thank you. He sent me his his house-made triple sec. He sent it to me actually before Christmas, and I'm yet to open it. So I thought I'd do it on camera and give some live feedback. It's got a really nice viscosity. It's quite thick. It's got a really nice fresh nose to it. And it's pretty tasty. Thanks, Sebastian. So 2020 is looking to be another big year. The Threefold team and I will be moving into a cellar door, so I'll be announcing those details very, very soon. And we'll be doing a bar takeover at one of Adelaide's best small bars, so you guys can come say hello and try our gin. Also, I put up a poll a couple of days ago to get some feedback on what kind of videos you want to see. I want to change it up a little bit, and you guys said that you wanted to see some bar visits, which will be happening, as well as possibly some distilling. So stay tuned this year, and I'm sure I'll bring you a lot more content. If there's anything you guys want to see, make sure you hit me up in the comments below. But let's get started on the drink. This is a white rum based cocktail, the Yellowbird. So I want to start off with a cocktail shaker. I measure up 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your preferred white rum. Today I'm using Angostura. This is a super easy cocktail recipe, remember. It's been sitting on the shelf for a little while, a long while. So 15 ml, half an ounce of Galliano Liqueur, which is a vanilla liqueur. Same again, 15 ml, half an ounce with your triple sec. Otherwise Cointreau, Grand Marnier, whatever you have. And 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice to your cocktail shaker and give it a good shake. And strain it into a chilled Nicanora glass or a stemmed cocktail glass. Then for garnish, a skewered orange and maraschino cherry. And there you have a Yellowbird. Cheers. Smells quite sweet. A lot of vanilla on the nose. Vanilla and orange, given that you've got Galliano and triple sec. It's delicious. It's actually really light. It's super easy to drink. Even though it's got like 2.5 ounces. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.